We really wanted to take inspiration from the ambition of being a sustainable actor in the market that Unilin is, and being able to express that ambition. By playing with scale, by playing with digital fabrication and parametric design, we were able to come up with a solution that shows the products in a very original way while be as minimal as possible in the usage of materials.
We had a complex shape. We had to solve it somehow feasible. So the interior phase, we thought about what about if we use the construction panels for creating the interior of the sculpture, and we showed them up.
We thought that it was also interesting to play with the HPL because it's quite small, so it could really create something a bit vivid, like a skin. And also with the natural light of the atrium. For instance, if it's the upper part, you have a different type of shine with the light.
While the MDF Compact was the perfect panel to create the structural core of this beautiful sculpture.
C'est un projet qui est vraiment très créatif, très innovant. L'architecte ose vraiment faire autrement. Donc il va allier le côté artistique et le côté technique. On va les aider à réaliser, mais ils vont aussi nous aider à ce qu'on puisse les aider à réaliser. Donc il y a vraiment beaucoup d'échanges et chacun va faire ressortir ses compétences et son expertise, et c'est ça qui va rendre le projet intéressant, donc quelque chose de mémorable.
I remember pretty well when we were presenting the interior skin. Everyone it looked like a fingerprint, and actually it's true, it was looking like a fingerprint. And then it had all the sense to be called Fingerprint, because it's the impact also that Unilin is having in the market, in the way they produce their panels.